Hello, we are presenting on lean methodology.
The origin of lean methodology. The origin of lean methodology begins with Henry Ford in the 1900s. He created two concepts, the idea of mass production and the idea of flow production. Mass production is known as the manufacturing of large amounts of products, while flow production is the continuous movement of elements that happen during the production process, not allowing for time to be wasted. With these two concepts, he was able to create the moving line assembly, which efficiently sped up the production process, but it was only able to be maintained because of the lack of availability of customers. With that, Toyota and Ahono were inspired of the methods Ford had applied to his company. So in the 1930s, with collaboration with Toyota and Ahono, they were able to create the Toyota production system after adapting some of Ford's ideas. To better suit their company, Toyota wanted to make sure that they increased customer satisfaction while promoting efficient production and reducing all forms of production waste. Creating the Toyota production system, they have some principles. First is standardizing work, which enables other principles. They wanted to make sure that there was a continuous flow of work, but also take their time on it, which basically means that at the rate which you need to complete a product in order to meet the customer's demand. Another principle is the pull system and stopping to notify only for abnormalities, making sure no time is wasted and they stay on track, and separating between human and machine work. They wanted to make sure that nothing went uncounted for and they were able to continue work through machines even if humans were not available or able to monitor those machines. In all said, Toyota Production Systems' one goal is to make sure that they achieve the highest quality while having the lowest and shortest time of production.
Next is the terms and principles of Lean Agile. So to start off with, one of the main things of Lean Agile is reducing waste, and there are 8 types of those. You also have to have sustainability, which the waste reduction helps reduce the resource consumption and lower environmental impact. With Lean Agile, with Lean principles, you'd like to be efficient, which this helps establish a smoother workflow as well as help organizations streamline their processes. And you also have to think about customer satisfaction, which is like aligning with the customer needs as well as being flexible and responsive to your customers.
Now we'll cover methodology. Here are some important concepts. There is a 5-step cycle. First, identifying the value, mapping the value stream, creating a flow, establishing pull to enhance continuous flow, and seeking perfection. Here are 8 common forms of waste: defections, overproduction, waiting, unused skills, inefficient transportation use, excess inventory, wasted time on irrelevant tasks, and extra processing.
Next is lean uses in different industries. First being manufacturing. Lean is seen through monitoring a product's life, adjusting to actual volume size, and adapting to customer needs. Next is healthcare, which is seen through redesigning patient rooms to maintain patient connection, crash cart inspections to avoid excess equipment, and lean scheduling to reduce wait times and avoid no-shows. And lastly is IT, which is seen through continuous improvement to keep up with the evolving industry, ensuring customer satisfaction, and avoiding excess inventory like underutilization of hardware and application development teams.
Artifacts, rituals, and tools. Tools based on lean principles would be as bottleneck analysis, which helps identify and address workflow issues. Another principle would be as value stream, which values all components needed to deliver a product, aiding process analysis. Third one would be error proofing, which aim to prevent defects and human errors. Rituals and artifacts would be such as daily stand-up meetings, meetings where team members discuss progress and plans. This process ensures regular communication with the team. Gemba walks, observing work areas to identify inefficiency and engage with employees. And then the lastly would be visual management using visual aid like taskboard to track progress and communicate information. Overall, these processes, artifacts, and tools are used in lean methodology to promote continuous improvement, enhance efficiency, and achieve organizational goals by streaming process, reducing waste, and empowering teams.